Now, Michigan is one of 13 states with so-called trigger laws that would immediately make abortion a crime for doctors. However, it is on hold because of a ruling in the Michigan Court of Claims. Governor Gretchen Whitmer vowing to fight for women's rights. She filed a motion with the state Supreme Court asking it to immediately take up her pending lawsuit to protect abortion rights.
And taking a look at the numbers, without that access, thousands of Michiganders will be impacted. According to the state health department, in 2021, Michigan's abortion rate was the highest it's been since 1993, with more than 30,000 abortions recorded.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner is in downtown Detroit right now with a closer look at this big controversy today. Jim?
Carolyn and Brian, let me show you what's going on here. We're on Lafayette Street, right outside federal court. You can see Detroit police have blocked off Lafayette Street, Washington Boulevard to the west, Shelby to the east, and take a look at the crowd that's developed here. These are pro-choice advocates not happy with this Supreme Court ruling, but this was the draft that came out early last month that drove a lot of what's happening here in Michigan. There was a challenge when that draft came out to the 1931 trigger law that led to the Court of Claims putting a halt to it, the injunction. Now, Republicans in the state want to go to the Court of Appeals. As Carolyn indicated, the governor has filed suit and is asking the Michigan Supreme Court to take this up on an expedited basis. That includes her request to have briefs done by the end of July. We talked with Attorney General Dana Nessel. She tells me there's no way to know if that's going to happen.
Honestly, Jim, if I had a crystal ball, I could answer that question for you, but there's no way to know. We could get a ruling immediately in the next few minutes that they have decided to accept the governor's case, and they're going to hear the case for themselves. Or we could, there's no specific time frame.
Now, I can tell you we've gotten statements from area county prosecutors here in the Metro Detroit area, the Democrats, reaffirming their position, as they told us last month, that even if this 1931 law goes back into effect, they will not enforce it. What it means is doctors and nurses who perform abortions under that law would be guilty of a felony and could be sentenced up to 10 years in prison. So that includes prosecutors here in Wayne County, Oakland County, Washtenaw County, and Attorney General Dana Nessel also says she would not enforce that law. We're going to have much more for you next hour at 6, how a petition drive could drive all of the legalities in this. More on that next hour at 6. And again, the crowd here, pro-choice advocates, we were told there was a pro-life rally over to Planned Parenthood office over in Livonia, also going on this afternoon. For now, we're live downtown. Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
We will see you in the next hour. Jim, thank you.